What's going on, guys? So we're cleaning this stainless steel header. You see how weathered it is. This is the finished product. This is what we're using. These are the pads we're using. You want to use a new one every time you do it. I've only hit that one 2 times, so I put it on the pad like so, smush it around, and then you want to go grab the bottom and you're just twisting it just like that in circular motions. Do the pipe till your arms hurt, and then you wipe it off with a rag. And after you do it 2 times, 3 times, hit it with some brake cleaner, get the rest of it off of there, and it looks like brand new. You can also go around it once, and then if you get around it once, you can flip the pad over and use the other side. What happens is all the dirt and all the oxidation and everything gets stuck on one side of the pad, so you just take it, flip it around. Now you got another side there, brand new. Gonna go around it. Depends on how dirty they are, how many times you gotta do them. It's just up to you how much time you want to spend on them. But you want to go in this motion right here because that's how it looks anyways. When you look at the pipe, you can see the lines in the pipe. It's kind of like sand and wood. You want to go with the wood grain, you know, same kind of thing. And then you get on these little spots right here where you can't really go in a circular motion. You just kind of get a little rub like that, you know, nothing special. Just some elbow grease, really all it is. Not very expensive at all. That's one of the good things about stainless steel. All right, get that off. Mind my rag. This actually works pretty good. We got both pant legs and my underwear. My old underwear is here. Wipe it off. And you'll see it's still going to have some darkness to it, but then when I hit it with the brake cleaner, it goes away. It gets the remainder that's left in the metal in there off. So you see they're a little bit different in color. It's a little still darker. I'll go hit it with the brake cleaner. And that gets all the residue off. You can just grab yourself a little paper towel here, wipe it down, get anything that's left over off. And like I said, it's just up to you how many times you want to do it, but this one's still got a little bit of this in there, but I mean, from what it was, I can still hit that again. This one came out really good. Might have to hit that other one more time, but that's pretty much it, guys.